Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best car smoke generators for easy leak detection. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. Ancel S100 Car Smoke Leak Detector Pipe Leak Locator. Perfect for quick and precise diagnostics. The Ancel S100 smoke generator is designed for locating pipe leaks in automotive EVAP systems. This compact tool produces smoke to detect leaks in minutes, making it ideal for professionals and car enthusiasts alike. The advantages of this car smoke generator are simple and efficient leak detection process, compact and portable for easy handling, durable construction for long-term use. The disadvantages of this car smoke generator are limited features compared to higher-end models. May require additional adapters for some car models. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. FOXWELL SD101 Car Smoke Leak Detector Turbo EVAP. The FOXWELL SD101 Smoke Leak Detector is a powerful tool for diagnosing turbo and EVAP systems. With a sturdy design and advanced leak detection capabilities, this generator delivers professional-grade results for various leak-prone automotive systems. The advantages of this car smoke generator are comprehensive detection for turbo and EVAP systems, strong smoke output for clear visibility, built with high-quality, durable materials. The disadvantages of this car smoke generator are may be bulky for some users, higher price point. At number 3. Ancel S312V Car Smoke Leak Test with Built-in Air Pump. Built to simplify smoke testing, the Ancel S300 Smoke Leak Test Generator has a built-in air pump, allowing users to easily identify leaks in EVAP and oil pipes. This versatile smoke generator is compatible with both cars and motorcycles, making it a multifunctional choice. The advantages of this car smoke generator are built-in air pump for added convenience, compatible with both cars and motorcycles, produces reliable results with minimal setup. The disadvantages of this car smoke generator are requires regular maintenance for optimal performance. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. FOXWELL SD201 Car Smoke Generator 12V Automotive. The FOXWELL SD201 12V Car Smoke Generator is ideal for EVAP system diagnostics. This diagnostic tool helps you quickly detect leaks in vacuum, fuel, and oil pipes, providing accuracy and efficiency to keep your vehicle in top shape. The advantages of this car smoke generator are fast and accurate leak detection, easy setup with minimal additional equipment, suitable for a range of vehicle types. The disadvantages of this car smoke generator are limited to 12V systems. May be noisy during operation. At number 1. Ancel S300 Car Smoke Leak Detector EVAP System Diagnostic Tools. The Ancel S300 Car Smoke Leak Detector is an essential tool for car owners and professionals alike. It enables quick identification of leaks in EVAP pipes, ensuring efficient diagnostics without the need for complex tools or procedures. The advantages of this car smoke generator are efficient and easy-to-use design, suitable for multiple diagnostic applications, provides fast results with minimal error. The disadvantages of this car smoke generator are higher price compared to basic models. May not work well in extreme temperatures.